Truck. Oh. Hey y'all. I'm gonna sing something about truck and a whole bunch of other songs, but that's gonna be like later. Me and Brianna are gonna take turns. Say hi.
Hi.
Something about truck and farmer field. No trespass sign. Time to kill. Nobody's gonna get hurt. So what's the big deal? Something about truck and farmer's field. Something about bears sitting on ice after a long hard day. The texture is right. They drop tailgate on a summer night. Something about bears sitting on ice. And something about girl in a ransom dress. And with an ice cold beer pressed against her lips. And that farmer's field make a boy mad. Something about girl in a red sundress. Something about kiss gonna leave the mold on that drop tailgate right behind the corn. Some little thing never felt before. Something about kiss gonna leave the mold. And something about truck and field and girl in a red sundress with an ice cold beer to us back in for love. Something about you and me and the birds and the bees and Lord have mercy, it's beautiful. Ain't nothing about it, look. Something about truck. Something about creek around 2 a.m. after a long hard day. And you need no clothes, just hang on the limb. Something about creek around 2 a.m. And there's something about a truck in the field and a girl in a red sundress with a nice cold beer to her lips, begging for her out. And something about you and me. These are all have mercy, it's a beautiful thing, ain't nothing about it, look. Something about truck, ain't nothing about it, look. It's something about truck. Oh, that's it. Brianna, do you want to go next? Okay, hold on. We don't know all the lyrics.